this video is all about the term which is getting on our nerves today and bothering all of our families. Yes, COVID-19. And now are we getting in contact with it? Wherever we go, wherever we stay, we need groceries. But at the same time, the precautions we have to take while buying groceries is very important. We all have to be in red alert because the lifespan of this virus is from few minutes to few days on particular things.
After coming home, taking groceries from the shop, we need to isolate the groceries at least for 1 day, maximum to 2 days. After coming home, sanitizing yourself is a very good thing. But as you touch the sanitizer before, you need to sanitize it as well. Guys, safe sanitization is very important. Until date, there is no clue that coronavirus is spreading from vegetables and the fruits. You don't need to use any chemicals or any sanitizers to clean the vegetables and the fruits. The pores of the vegetables and the fruits are very delicate so that the chemicals may enter into the fruits which are very harmful. So you can clean it in the cold water for 30 seconds with your own hands and then sanitize yourself. One important thing is do not touch the lift button with your own hand because many people will be traveling in the same lift. And I can suggest you that you can use a toothpick or a earbud to press the lift buttons. Paper money are the most common which are transferred from one person to another. In the paper money, easily coronavirus sustains up to 4 days. You can use two methods to get prevented from the virus. One is you can take the money and put them in a box and take them after 2 days, but sanitize yourself immediately. And the other thing is the online payment, which is clearly the easiest thing you can do. In the coins, coronavirus sustains up to 4 hours. I think you can make yourself not to touch them for at least 4 hours. The newspaper, which is the regular paper which comes every day before your door. So you can use the newspaper after 3 hours it gets placed in front of your door. Surgical mask is the very important thing and very dangerous thing in the recent days. Surgical mask contains coronavirus for at least 7 days with it. So you need to take care of that. Change your mask every 3 days as possible. Use N95 mask when you are going in crowded places. 3 hours. This is the amount of time we know that coronavirus can sustain and remain infectious in airborne droplets. But we don't know if humans produce enough in a single cough to infect another person. So guys, I tell you to be careful and keep your home safe. Safe sanitization, safe home. Thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe and ring the bell.